Hello students, today we will take up speech. There are two kinds of speech, direct and indirect speech. It is also known as reporting speech. We may report the words of a speaker in two ways. We may quote his actual words, which is known as direct speech, or we may report what he said without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect speech. As for example, Ram said, I am very busy now. This is direct speech, and when it is changed into indirect, it will be Ram said that he was very busy then. It will be noticed that in direct speech we use inverted commas to mark off the exact words of the speaker, whereas in indirect speech we remove the inverted commas. It will be further noticed that in changing the above direct speech into indirect, certain changes have been made. As for example, we have used the conjunction that before indirect statement. Secondly, the pronoun I is changed to he. It is the change of person. The verb am is changed to was. It means present tense is changed to past tense. Then again, we notice that the adverb now is changed to then. So there is a change in time. But this occurs only when the reporting verb is in the past tense. When the reporting verb or the principal verb is in the past tense, all present tenses of the direct speech are changed into the corresponding past tenses. As for example, a simple present becomes a simple past. He said, I am unwell. This present simple will change to simple past in indirect. He said that he was unwell. Similarly, present continuous will change to past continuous. He said, I am writing a letter. And this, when it is changed to indirect, it will change to past continuous. He said that he was writing a letter. Again, a present perfect will become a past perfect. He said, I have passed the examination. He said that he had passed the examination. So the present perfect is changed to past perfect. We shall notice that in future tense, shall is changed to should. The will of the future tense is changed into would. As a rule, the simple past in the direct becomes the past perfect in the indirect. He said that the horse died in the night. He said that the horse had died in the night. The tenses may not change if the statement is still relevant or if it is universal truth. For such sentences, the reporting verb may be in the past, but the sentence which is reported does not change to past. As for example, the teacher said, the earth goes round the sun. So this is a universal truth that the earth goes round the sun. So it is not going to change. It will remain as it is. The teacher said that the earth goes round the sun. If you say the teacher said that the earth went round the sun, then it will be wrong. So even if the reporting verb is in the past, but if it is a universal fact, the tense will remain as it is. German is easy to learn, she said. She said that German is easy to learn. The past tense is often used when it is uncertain if the statement is true or when we are reporting objectively. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, the tenses of the direct speech do not change. For example, we may write the above examples putting the reporting verb in the present tense. He says he is unwell. It will remain the same. He says that he is unwell. So reporting verb is in present, then the reported speech will also remain in the present. He has just said that his master is writing letters. He says he has passed the examination. He says the horse died in the night. So the main attention should be paid on the reporting verb. If it is in the present tense, then the reported speech is not going to change in tense. The pronouns of the direct speech are changed when necessary so that their relations with the reporter and his hearer rather than the original speaker are indicated. Observe the following examples. He said to me, I don't believe you. He said that he didn't believe me. She said to him, I don't believe you. She said that she didn't believe him. I said to him, I don't believe you. I said that I didn't believe him. I said to you, I don't believe you. I said I didn't believe you. The words expressing nearness in time or place are changed into words expressing distance. As for example, now becomes then, here becomes there, ago becomes before, thus becomes so, today changes to that day, tomorrow changes to next day, yesterday changes to the day before, and last night or last month changes to the night before or the month before. He says, I am glad to be here this evening. This direct sentence, when it is changed to indirect, it will turn to he says that he was glad to be there that evening. Here changes to there and this changes to that. The changes do not occur if the speech is reported during the same period or at the same time. Example, he says, I am glad to be here this evening. Because the reporting verb is in says in present tense, so it is not going to change in the indirect speech. It will remain as it is. He says he is glad to be here this evening. Similarly, this and these are changed to that and those unless the thing pointed out is near at hand at the time of reporting the speech.